May month is known for the delicious fruits of bayberry. Bayberry fruit, also called as wax myrtle fruit, because its fruit has the wax covering, and this wax is medicinal, useful for the treatment of ulcers, and this wax on the fruits is also used for candle making, soap making. Berry, the fruits which are wrinkled purplish red in color with a stony inner makeup. Fruit grows in the Himalayas, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu also. In Jammu we find this fruit under the name Kafal. Kafal is found in Karadonala on way to Bani. It is found at Chodmotu or Banjal Gala or Samana Banch in Ramnagar. This is the tree which has simple leaves. Flowers are male and female separate, mostly on different trees, that is dioecious, but in some species even monoecious. Our species in India is Myrica esculenta. Uttarakhand government, especially the forest department, has taken a lead in multiplying the plants and including in the afforestation program, because this fruit is sold in the market about 400 rupees per kg, and not simply delicious fruit but is a medicinal fruit. So it is also used in making beverages and added as flavor to various drinks. This is the nitrogen fixing tree. Although this is not a legume, but this is a nitrogen fixing because it has the root nodules, and in that the Frankia resides, microorganism which helps in nitrogen, so it can survive even on the poor soils. Myrica esculenta, bayberry, box myrtle or wax myrtle, mostly it is also represented in America. In America we have many species. Myrica arborea along the equatorial Guinea, Myricaria californica in the Californian region, the northern bayberry is found in Pennsylvania area, Myrica pennsylvanica. Southern bayberry, southern side, that is Caroliniensis, Myrica caroliniensis. There is a very wax species which has lot of wax in its fruits, which is called as Myrica cerifera. This is particularly used for the purpose of candle making, and candles are especially designed for the Christmas celebrations, and under the name of bayberry candles, very popular. In China we have the red colored variety which is called as Myrica rubra. Myrica rubra is under cultivation along the Yangtze River in the Xinjiang province. Myrica rubra, also called as Yang Mai, or in Japanese language are Yamamomo. Myrica rubra cultivation in China is reported 2000 years old. This particular Myrica rubra fruits, bayberry fruits or waxberry, they have been used in various kinds of edible cuisines, dishes, beverages. The fruits are also fermented to have the bayberry wine. They are added to the yogurt to flavor it, even in ice creams and various shakes. Bayberry myrtle, locally called as Kafal Pako, is also reflected in the song of the Uttarakhand, where they related the story of the poor lady who collected the Kafal fruits, and she went for grass cutting and asked her only daughter to take care of the Myrica fruits so that she will sell them in the evening. But on the return, she found that basket full of bayberry fruits. They had actually shrunken into a smaller area. She just misunderstood that might be the daughter has eaten. So she, in anger, just hit the child with a stick and she died. After death, the same daughter, girl, in the shape of a bird, which is basically Himalayan, short-winged Himalayan cuckoo, Cuculus micropterus, tells or produces notes telling that story, Kafal Pako Mani Chako. And another bird is also told to say like this, Pure Pure, fruits are full, basket is full. It is just misunderstanding, that because in the evening, fruits, when there is a cool air, the fruits swell and they look fresh and they come to the original diamond, but during scorching daytime they may shrivel and look smaller in size. The wax on the fruits is used for the treatment of ulcers, digestive problems. Bark of the Myrica esculenta is recommended in Ayurveda, and according to Ayurveda there are two varieties, white flowering variety and red flowering variety, Shwet or Rakt, and both of these are used in various kinds of diseases, especially stomach troubles, for liver troubles. It is rich in iron. Fruits are rich in iron, so it is also recommended for the anemic patients. It is good. It is rich in vitamins, vitamin C. So this is also good for healthy teeth and even the troubles associated with oral hygiene and skin care, especially if we eat the fruits of Myrica esculenta, Kafal, so it provides a glow to the face. Bark is also employed for the preparation of a dye, and even it has a potential to make the nail dye. So this is all eco-friendly, environmentally safe. But trees need more and more plantation. They need to be multiplied so that fruits are available to the younger generation, to wean away from junk foods. Junk foods provide no immunity, but the fruits like Myrica esculenta, Kafal, wax myrtle, bayberry, they are more nutritious and build up the immunity. So for a future health security point of view, such trees, such wild forest fruits need to be popularized. And Myrica esculenta is one candidate tree, the fruit of which is considered as the king of fruits among the all wild fruits available in the Himalayas. Thank you.